this is my little bird Peanut, and it's time to give him his bath. And I'm going to show you how to give your cockatiel a bath. It's very easy. First, you want to have, this is a towel I had, to get him out of his cage. Put a little towel over him, because usually birds do not like you reaching in the cage getting them. So just have a little towel available. And this how you have to test the water temperatures. Okay, let's get started. Turn on the water. This is hot, cold. Okay, test. You do not want to burn your bird. You want to have it like lukewarm. Start off lukewarm. It might take a little bit of practice, but the main concern is try to get your bird as calm as possible and make sure the water is lukewarm. Now right now, that's too hot. So we're going to turn on some more cold. Turn up some more cold. Okay, I hope you can hear me. You want it kind of lukewarm. You don't want to have it too cold for your bird either. Just nice lukewarm temperatures. Keep filling them around. This feels good. It's not cold and it's not hot. Let me get a little more pinch. Okay, and if it's either too cold or too hot and your bird's not comfortable, they're going to keep moving around. And again, this is a nice temperature on my arm, so that's the most important part. Come on, Peanut, let's go here. And again, keep testing it with your hands. Peanut's sitting here nice and calm, so that's the right temperature. And let them enjoy. But again, you see how I'm still monitoring the temperature with my hand? Peanut sitting here nice and calm. Cockatiels love water. See how easy this is? And start as young as possible giving them a bath. Let it run on the back of their necks. Really easy. And if I can do this, you can do this with your cockatiel. It takes practice, but the main thing, again, I keep reiterating this, ensure the water is lukewarm. This is a very nice temperature for Peanut. See, no moving around. But eventually I'm going to start moving him around because I like to get under his underbelly. Sometimes you have to let them know who's in control. And they're safe. But if this is your first time, just start with this. Okay, so I'm gonna start moving Peanut around a little bit. Peanut, let's get under the wing. See, I'm getting under that wing. I got him nice. And you don't have to have a choke hold on him or anything. You know, just hold him. The more you do this, the more safe and secure they're going to feel with you. And the main thing, hold their feet. Don't let their feet dangle. See, I have my hand under his feet. They do not like their feet dangling. So ensure their feet is in the palm of your hands. Do not let their feet dangle. That's when you're going to find a lot of movement. Can you guys see that really well? See how I'm getting under that underbelly? Yes, sometimes let it run on their feet. See? Do you see Peanut's feet in the palm of my hands? Sometimes that water feels good just running on the top of their feet. I'm hoping I'm getting good angles with the camera. But your bird loves all this. Flip them back over. And again, have those feet secure in the palm of your hand. And I know some of you are thinking, well, what if my bird bites? Hey, get a pair of gloves. Try a pair of gloves. But once your bird get a hang of this bath, the biting will go away. They'll get more comfortable with you. But first, you have to practice holding your bird to even get to this stage. And I recommend, if you get your bird like at 6 weeks or younger, start holding them then. I mean, I admit when I first got Peanut, I was afraid to touch him. I was afraid to hold him. But it's just a short story. I was inexperienced with Peanut, and I had him out on the deck in his cage, and a hawk was out there flying around. I did not know about hawks, so never leave your bird alone outside in a cage. Long story short, Peanut was just scared out of his wits. He was in a cage just shaking like a leaf. And I reached in there and I got Peanut and I started holding him and saying, Peanut, I did not know the hawks were out there. I didn't know. And I never left Peanut alone again outside. So don't do that to your pets. If you have a dog or cat, I know this is about birds, but never leave your pet outside alone. See how comfortable Peanut is? So that's it as far as the bath. Have a handy towel. Same towel you use to get them out the cage, because never just grab your hand. You will, some birds will bite. I don't know, yours might be different. And again, dry your baby off. Say hi, Peanut. Just dry them off real well. Say hi. Say hi, Peanut. Get their, feathers as dry as possible. I have a little heater that's in Peanut's room. But again, do not, whatever you choose to let your bird, dry, whether you sit there, you could only rub them so much to get them dry. Like I say, I have a heater for Peanut. I'll make a video and I'll show you that part on how Peanut dries. But just wipe them. Hope you're seeing all of this. Come on, Ping Ping. Just wipe and dry. That's all it is. Giving your cockatiel a bath. Say hi, Peanut. Bye.